In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to create an Apple ID. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is launch your preferred browser. Then navigate to this website, account.apple.com. Once you're over here, click on this drop down. Then select the option, create an Apple ID. Or also what you can do is launch your settings in the device. Then click on the option sign in. You're going to get the option of create account. Click on that. You'll be directed to this page. Now you'll need to fill in these details. First, type in your first name, then last name. Click on this drop down and select your country and region. Likewise, select your date of birth, day, month, and year. Now enter your email address. Then generate the password. Confirm the password. Create a strong password that fulfills all the requirements. Now here you will be given two options to verify your account, text message or phone call. So type in the phone number first, then go ahead and select the option of your choice. Lastly, type in the CAPTCHA. Click on next. Now you'll be prompted to enter the code. Type in that. Then agree with Apple's terms and conditions. Simply click on agree at the bottom right. You are now being signed into your Apple account. And just for that, you have created your Apple ID. So that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily create your Apple ID. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.